All right, this is the homework check video for page 613, odd problems 13 to 23. Um, okay, so I went through and kind of worked out these problems ahead of time for us, so maybe make the check go a little faster. Again, this is a page in the math book, 613, 13 through 23, odd problems. That's what we're working on. The distance formula. So x minus x. One thing you're going to notice in this homework check is that I kind of changed the order in the problem depending on what's easier for me. So basically, you're going to always see me do the differences of the x's, but I may not put, what would have been easier on this problem would be to do 12 minus negative 8. Then that would have been positive 20, right? 12 minus negative 8 gives you positive 20. Positive 20 squared is still positive 400. So it doesn't matter if the order of the x and the y at all. It doesn't matter. As long as you do your integer work right, you square it, and you add those two squares, you'll get the right answer. So that being said, on number 13, I got 20 because you square rooted 400 to get 20. Number 15. 3 minus 6 is negative 3. 4 minus 8 is negative 4. Square those to get positive 9, positive 16. Look, you're always going to get a positive number here because you always square those two numbers. So, you can't get negatives here. If you get negatives, you did your math wrong. You forgot how to square a negative or something. I got 25. Square root of 25 is a 5, right? So number 15 is 5. Number 17, 5 minus negative 3 is a positive 8. 4 minus 8 makes negative 4. Square those, 64, 16. Add those, 80. We get a first decimal, 8.94. 8.9 if you're going to the nearest tenth. Number 19, negative 3 minus negative 8 gives me positive 5. And negative 8 minus negative 4 gives me negative 4. Square those, 25 and 16 make 41. Square root that, 6.4. 6.40 is fine. 21, 6 minus 4. I didn't put the square root sign here. All right, 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus negative 2/3 makes 2 and 2/3. When I square that, I get 64 over 9, which is really 7 and 1/9. Add a 4. 2 squared is 4. 4 plus 7 and 1/9 is 11 and 1/9. You square root 11 and 1/9. You either get 3 and a third or 3.333, right? 23. Last problem. I did this for you in your notes. I kind of helped you out on this one, but I'm just showing you the same stuff we had yesterday. 2 minus 4 fifths is 1 and 4, 1 and 1 fifth. Negative 1 minus negative 1/2 makes negative 1/2. Square 1/2, you get a 1/4. You square your 1 and 1 fifth, you get 36 over 25, which is 1 and 11/25. Add those together. I think we said it was a 1 and 69 100ths, which does square root to 1.3 or 1 and 3/10. Okay. All right, guys, correct this and check it. Make sure you got all the work that goes with each problem, and then file it, and you'll be ready to go with the distance formula. Okay.